I just built an AI bot. So I asked it this simple, almost joking question: can you make money while I sleep?
I was not expecting this. It told me it had already automated my business, scheduled 50 client emails, and found 3 new income streams, increasing my revenue by $5,000. I thought, no way. So I asked for proof, and it showed me this. Then I pushed it further and asked it to write the code for a new automation for cold emailing. And it did it in seconds. This isn't just a chatbot. This is a custom AI agent that I built without writing a single line of code. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build one too. The best part? I built this without writing a single line of code. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how to create your own AI coding genius in the next 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, open up your browser, and in the search bar, type N8N and hit enter. Look for the first result, AI Workflow Automation Platform, and click on that. Once the site loads, head over to the top right corner and click Sign In. Go ahead and log into your account. This will take you to your N8N dashboard. Now let's create our bot. Click the Create Workflow button in the top right. Every automation needs a starting point or a trigger. Click on Add First Step. In the search bar that appears, type Telegram and select it from the list. We want our bot to respond when it gets a message, so click on the On Message trigger. Now we need to connect our Telegram bot. Click the drop-down for Credentials and select Create New Credential. To get this, we'll need to head over to Telegram. Open a new tab and go to web.telegram.org. In the Telegram search bar, look for BotFather. He's the one who helps us create bots. Click on his profile and hit Start. Now type the command /newbot and send it. BotFather will ask for a name. I'm calling mine Aratech. Next, it needs a unique username, which must end in bot. I'll use Aratech002bot. And there it is. BotFather just gave us our secret API token. This is the key to our bot. Click to copy it. Now jump back to N8N. Paste that token right into the Access Token field. Great. Now click the Save button. See that green check mark? That means we're successfully connected. Let's head back to our main screen by clicking Back to Canvas. Our bot can now hear messages, but it can't think yet. Let's give it a brain. Click the little plus icon after our trigger. In the menu, select AI and then choose AI Agent. This agent is like the manager for our AI. To make it smart, it needs a language model. Click the plus icon next to the chat model. We'll use Google's powerful Gemini model. Just like before, we need to connect it. Click the drop-down and Create New Credential. To get our Gemini API key, open another new tab and search for Google AI Studio. Click the link to go to the studio. Once you're in, find and click Get API Key in the top menu. Now click Create API Key. Choose your project from the list and click the button to create the key. And just like that, you have your API key. Hit the copy button. Let's go back to N8N one more time. Paste that key right into the API key field and click Save. Awesome! Our bot now has a brain. A smart bot needs to remember what you've talked about. Let's add some memory. On the AI agent, click the plus icon next to Memory. For this tutorial, simple memory is perfect. Click on that. Now, here's a crucial step. We need to make sure the bot remembers each conversation separately. Under Session ID, change it to Define Below. For the key, we'll use the unique ID. Let's do a quick test. Head over to your Telegram bot and send it a message like /start. Now, back in N8N, we have an error. Don't worry, this is an easy fix. The error says no prompt specified. That just means we haven't told the AI what message to think about. Click on the AI agent node. Where it says Source for Prompt, change it to Define Below. Now, in the prompt field, we'll tell it to use the text from the Telegram message. Now the AI knows what to process. The final step is to send the AI's answer back. Click the plus icon after the AI agent. Search for Telegram again. This time, scroll down to the Actions and select Send a Text Message. Make sure your bot's credential is selected. To get the chat ID, you can use a bot like User Info Bot on Telegram. Just forward it a message and it will give you your ID. Copy that and paste it here. For the text to send back, this is where the magic happens. Delete the default text, open the expression helper, and this time find the AI agent node and select its output. This tells our workflow to send whatever the AI generates. One last cleanup step. Scroll down and turn off Append N8N attribution to make the messages look cleaner. You're doing great. We're almost done. Let's save our work by clicking Save in the top corner. Now the most important step, making our bot live. See this inactive switch? Click it to turn it active. A pop-up will appear. Just click Got it. Our bot is now online and ready to chat. Let's go test it out. I'll send it a message. How are you? Look at that, an instant, intelligent response. Let's try something more complex. Can you write code? It understands. Now let's ask it to write one simple code of Hello World in C. Wow, it generated the code perfectly with explanations. Let's push it even further. Write one Java code of calculator. And there you have it, a fully functional, conversational AI bot that can even write code, all built in just a few minutes without a single line of code. How cool is that?